Hello students, welcome to maths class. I am Shaista, your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 4, angles and pairs of angles. Let's recall here angle ABC. Here on the base of this angle you have to give answer. Okay, so these all are following questions which I am going to show you here. Yes, write the name of the angle shown alongside. So here angle ABC. As you can see here, angle ABC is the angle. So we can write here angle ABC. Now here, as you can see here inside ABC, CBA. Okay, how many angles we can say here? We can write here. How many angles we can show here? So angle ABC and angle CBA. Is that clear? B is the vertex point. Angle B is the vertex point. Is that clear, my dear students? And here two sides are given. That is side AB and side CB. Is that clear? So we can say that here two angles, that is angle ABC and angle CBA, and angle B is the vertex point. Write the name of its vertex. So yes, point B is the vertex point. Write the name of its arm. So AB and CB. So we can write here side AB and side CB. Okay, or we can write ray BA or ray BC. Is that clear? We can write like this, ray BA, comma, ray BC. Is that clear? Write the name of the point mark on its arm. So point A, point B and point C. Okay, there are 3 points. Is that clear, my dear students? Now here, the interior and exterior of an angle. As you can see here, now in your textbook, this figure is shown. Okay, so on the base of this angle PQR, we have to show interior points and exterior point. And point N, M and point M and T, O all are interior. Is that clear? And this G, D, S, point G, D, S and E, these all are exterior point. Is that clear, my dear students? So inside angle interior, outside angle exterior. Now adjacent angles. Now let us learn about adjacent angle. Now as you can see here this figure, so here angle BMD. Angle BMD, there are 3 angles. Angle BMD, first one, then angle BMQ. Okay, the second one is angle BMQ. Okay, there are 3 angles inside this angle. There are 3 angles. So first one is BMD, then BMQ. Okay, and then this last one, that is DMQ, this yellow portion. Is that clear, my dear students? So how many angles? There are 3 angles. Is that clear? Angle BMD, angle BMQ and angle DMQ. Isn't it very simple to understand? Yes, my dear students. Isn't it very easy to understand adjacent angle? Yes. So these are adjacent angle. There are 3 angles shown in this figure. Okay, angle BMD, angle BMQ and angle DMQ, and M is the vertex point of all these 3 angles. M is the center point of all these 3 angles. Isn't it so simple? Yes, my dear students. Now on the base of this, let's solve practice set 15. Now here question number 1 says that observe the figure and complete the table for angle AWB. So here angle AWB is given. Now we have to find points in the interior, that is NRXC. Point N, point R, point X and point C. All these points are interior point. Is that clear, my dear students? So we can write here point N, point R, point X and point C. So point N, R, C and X, all these are interior points. So we can write here points N, R, C, X. Is that clear? Now points in the exterior. So as you can see here, point T, point U, point Q, and point V. Okay, point T, point U, point Q and point V. This purple color points, all they are exterior point. Okay, all they are exterior points. So we can write here points T, U, Q, V and Y. Even Y is also an exterior point, as you can see here. Okay, so point T, U, Q, V and Y all are exterior. Now on the arm are A, W and here B. Okay, A, W and B. Okay, these point on the arms of the angle. Is that clear? So point A, W, G, B. A, W, G, B. All these points are points on the arm of the angle. Isn't it so simple? Yes, my dear students. Now let's solve question number 2. Name the pairs of adjacent angle in the figure. Now this figure is given in your textbook. We have to answer them. Now here two figures are given. Okay, we will find one by one. So here first figure says that here how many angles you can see? Yes, there are 3 angles. And how many vertex? Only one vertex, that is point N. Okay, so here the pair of adjacent angles are, so here as you can see, A and B, then A and C, and lastly B and C, or we can say that C and B. Okay, there are 3 pairs. The pairs of adjacent angles are, as you can see here, A and B, then A and C, and lastly C and B. That means how many pairs? There are total 3 pairs. So we can write here, okay, this N is the vertex point for all the 3 angles, is the common vertex, that is point N. Isn't it so simple, my dear students? Yes. So we will write like this here, angle A and B. Okay, then angle A and B, angle A and C, and lastly C and B. Okay, so here first we will write like this, angle B and C, and angle here A and C. Okay, so we can write here B and A and angle A and C, B and A and angle A and C. Is that clear? Now angle A and C, okay, you can write like this, A and C and angle B and C. Okay, A and C, second one, angle A and C. See the green color portion, A and C and angle B and C. Okay, now the third one, B and C and angle A and B. Okay, here we will write B and C, angle B and C and angle B and A, or we can write A and B, both are equal. Okay, B and A. Okay, so B and C and B and A. In this way we have to write pairs of adjacent angles. Isn't it so simple? Now next figure, the pair of adjacent angle. Here PQR, first one, then PQT, second one, and now here as you can see 2 angles. So angle PQR and PQT. So angle PQT and angle PQR. Okay, we have written here 2 angles. Isn't it so simple? Yes, my dear students. In this way you have to solve. Now question number 3. Are the following pairs adjacent angles? If not, state the following. So here this figure is given in your textbook and we have to solve all these 4 sub question one by one. Okay, so we will solve all these 4 sub question, and here we have to say whether the given angle are pairs of adjacent angle or not, that we have to show. So here first 2 angles are given. Let's read, angle PMQ and angle RMQ. So here on this portion, red color portion, as you can see here, PMQ, and now yellow color portion, RMQ. Okay, so here PMQ and RMQ. So this red one and this yellow one. For your understanding, I am using these two separate colors. So are adjacent angle. Why? Because as you can see, they both have common vertex, that is M. So PMQ and RMQ are adjacent angle because their common vertex is M. So yes, they are adjacent angle. Now angle RMQ and angle RMS. Okay, RMQ and angle RMS. Now here both the angle are not adjacent angle. Why? Because RMQ and SMR, here their interior are not separate. Their interiors are not separate. That's why they are not adjacent angle. So we have to write here reason. Their interiors are not separate. Okay. Now last here the third sub question. As you can see here, RMS and RMT. RMS and RMT are adjacent because here also common vertex is M, but main reason is their interior are not separate. So we can write here are not adjacent angle because their interior are not separated. Okay, my dear students. Now last sub question. SMT, angle SMT and angle RMS. See this, their interior are separated. So yes, they are adjacent angle. Is that clear? Adjacent angle होने के लिए इंटीरियर दोनों के सेपरेट होने बहुत ज़रूरी है, तो ही वो एडजेसेंट एंगल रहेंगे. ओके, कॉमन वर्टेक्स तो चाहिए ही, लेकिन वो दोनों सेपरेट होना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. ठीक है, तो अगर सेपरेट है तो एडजेसेंट एंगल है, लेकिन अगर सेपरेट नहीं है तो आर नॉट एडजेसेंट एंगल. इंटीरियर हमेशा सेपरेट होना ज़रूरी है. Okay, my dear students, so in this way we have solved question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. Now my dear students, your task is to solve all these 3 questions in your maths notebook. Enjoy learning, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you for watching my video.